Okay. Today I will go to the new bit, that is the cycloidal profile teeth. Okay. In gear profile, we will find two types of the gear profile. First is a cycloidal, and one more, that is a involute profile is there. Actually, we will find the two types of the profiles. One is a cycloidal profile, one more, that is a involute profile. Okay. What is the meaning of the profile means? You look at this figure. I have drawn this one. Okay. I have taken as a single tooth. At the same time, to understand the things, I have taken as a tooth thickness here. Okay. Then here, whatever the things I have drawn with the help of a red color profile, this is a red color curve. This is a nothing but a profile. Here also, this side also, it comes as a profile only. Look at this one. This is a profile I have taken as. In this case, this is also profile, this is also profile. Then what is the meaning of the cycloidal? This is the general meaning of the cycloidal. Locus of a point on the circumference of a circle that rolls without slipping on the fixed straight line. Okay. What is that? That locus of a point on the circumference of the circle that rolls without slipping on the fixed circle or straight line, it is there. Okay, I will explain that also. This is a general statement of the cycloidal. Okay, without slipping. Okay, I will explain that also here. Look at this one. How to draw the cycloidal profile. Now, I have taken as a one circle, that is a, I have taken as a, this is a pitch circle. You go for this one. I have drawn, this is a pitch circle. Okay, pitch circle is nothing but a P B, that is with the center as a this one. Then what the things I have taken as a two rollers at the bottom. Here also I have taken as a one roller, and here also I have taken as a one roller. Okay, with a different color. Okay, first I will draw the hypocycloidal, at the same time epicycloidal. Okay, one more thing. What is the meaning of the hypocycloidal? This is a same thing. Locus of a same concept will be there. Now I will go to the new definition, that is hypocycloidal. What is the meaning of the hypocycloidal? Locus of a point on the circumference of a circle that rolls without slipping on here on another circle, inside the another circle. Clear what I am saying? This is a circle. Look at this roller. This roller, it rolls, means moves on the pitch circle without slipping. That is nothing but a hypocycloidal. Then what is the epicycloidal? You take it as a one more circle. I have taken this one. Here one more circle. What is the definition? Same definition will be there. Locus of a point on a circumference of a circle that rolls without slipping on pitch circle, on circle, one more circle. Okay, this is also circle. Okay, this is a circle only. When it is comes as hypocycloidal, means it will rolls inside the circle. Epicycloidal means it rolls outside the circle. I hope that you got it, this one. This is a general statement on the what is the meaning of the cycloidal. Okay, what are the things I will explain here? One more thing. Look at this one. It is a, if you consider this is a one of the locus of the point here. I'll consider this is a one of the locus of the point. When it rolls, this point, locus of the point, it rolls, it will generate the one curve. Can you find it? This curve. Okay, this is a curve below the pitch circle only. Whatever the curve I am saying, this one below the pitch circle, the point traced by this point is traced by this curve is nothing but this point traces. You will find this type of curve. That is nothing but a hypocycloidal. Then same thing. This is also outside. If you look at this roller, okay, I hope that you are getting. When it is moving from this place, initially this is a locus of the point somewhere here. I will consider here also locus of the point. When rolls from this one, it will also traces the curve. That curve is nothing but a epicycloidal. Okay. Then whatever the curve traced by this circle, that is nothing but epicycloidal. That curve you have to use for the face. Bottom, whatever the curve traced by the hypocycloidal, you have to use for the flank, that curve. Okay. Then Total this curve is made with the two types of the curve. One is the epicycloidal, one is a hypocycloidal. I will go to the one example. What is the thing? If you consider this, I will take it as a, this is a one of the roller. Look at this one. This is a roller. It rotates. Look at this. It has to rotate on the pitch circle only. You have to got it what I am saying. It has to rotate. Same thing. It has to rotate. Same thing inside. Whatever the point, I will show that also. Okay. One more circle. That is outside circle means this is outside circle. E circle. E is a one circle. H is a one circle I have taken. E circle is also rotates. You have to rotate on the pitch circle only. Okay. Then I have taken as the same thing. Look at this one. I have taken as a, just imagine this is a one of the circle roller. Okay. I have taken as a, this is a point. What is that? That is the locus of a point. The point traced by this point is nothing but, you will get it as a some curve. That curve you have to say that is a hypocycloidal also, epicycloidal also. I will show that one. If you look at this one, whatever the point traced by, this is a just like approximate to get the clear. Okay, look at this one. This is a locus of point I will kept here only. Okay, I hope that you are getting this one. Then I will move this one. This is a locus of the point. It has to, without slipping means without slipping, it has to move properly, without slipping. If you are slipping means you will not get a curve properly. You look at this one. It has to move along this curve only. I hope that you are getting this curve with the, it is a rolling on the pitch circle radius. You have to draw properly this one. Anyhow, for the concept clarification I have taken this one. Here sometimes it make a some slip also here. This is okay. This is a, I hope that you got it. This is a nothing but, what I am saying, this is a nothing but hypocycloidal. This is a nothing but hypocycloidal. Okay, then one more circle. I will show that one. Actually, you have to start somewhere here. I will take it as a one more circle to get the difference. Okay, I will take it as, this is a black. This is also pitch point only. Then I will go for this also. This is a outside only. Look at this one. You have to, it has to move on the another circle. Another circle means what? Pitch circle only. I hope that you are getting this one. I hope that you are getting. It is not properly coming because I want to look at both sides. Okay, I hope that you got it. Okay, okay, very good. Now look at this one. You have to take as a some portion of this one, and at the same time you have to take a some portion of this one. This becomes face, this becomes flank. Okay, this is a flank due to hypocycloidal, face due to epicycloidal. This is due to epicycloidal. Okay, total this curve, I'll go to the one more color to get the difference. Total this whole thing is nothing but cycloidal curve. That is a cycloidal profile, and at the same time this side also you have to draw it. You have to rotate in opposite direction. This is also, you will get it. This portion will, what you have to call it? This is due to flank, this is due to face, this is due to face, this is due to flank. Then this becomes a tooth. I hope that you got it this one clearly. Okay, just only, what is that? Locus of a point means this is nothing but a locus of point. whatever the point traced by this one. Without sleeping means sometimes here only sleep. Continuously it has to move properly. That is nothing but a without sleeping. Okay, I hope that got it. Okay, next class I'll go to the one more, that is the involute profile. Okay, I'll stop here only. Thank you.